Cynthia Alam, product lead at Absy. I'm here to share some personal story and also talk about some of the amazing product that we've been working on to make everyone's life easy, and everyone in my community, my friends, my family, and hopefully make things easy for you guys too, whoever's seeing this demo and whoever been struggling to build an application, buying and selling application that takes months and weeks for companies to generate, for you to have access to your application. So yeah, I just wanted to share some stories, like the struggles that my friends and community have gone through. And like I've been in tech for quite some times now, and the one question I always get asked by my friends and family is that how long would it take for them to be able to create an application, or they just want to like do something simple, like they want to buy and sell their product, whether it was a handcrafted product or they just have this awesome small side business that they want to build, but they need an app. So then they ask me, hey, how long is it going to take me to maybe, and I don't want anything complex. I just want to be able to people to come and list their product, buyers to be able to buy it, and sellers to have a payment option, a checkout flow, and shipping options, things like that. And normally the answer I give them, even though like apps, we have so many apps in App Store, Google Play Store, like there's a new app like every 5-10 minutes that's being published, right? So people tend to think that it doesn't take that long, but the truth is that it does take a long time to like have a generic app that I was explaining that my friend wanted, with simple 5 features: that payments, registration, checkout flow, shipping, and listing product. And I told her that that would take about 3 to 6 months, and it's very very basic, and but it still takes time. It takes research, and it takes funding, and a lot of it's time consuming. And that's where we come in. That's where Absy come in. That's where our product, our amazing product that is simple, UI friendly, you can have a conversation, and it will build you and like buying selling app all within 15 minutes, under 15 minutes, if with some of even advanced features. And so I will show you some of the cool advanced features that you won't get from a company or like a development team that will spend 3 to 6 months to build for basic features. But you can come into Gamma, and we will not only give you the simple features, but we'll give you some awesome advanced features as well, and you will be able to have your application build and in your hands in a couple of hours. You can build an app within 15 minutes, and you will be able to access your application within a couple of hours. So not only that you will build an app within the same day, but you will be able to share and show your friends and community that the product that you're trying to sell within the same day. So I talk a lot, but I will share my screen and I will walk you through the awesome product that we've been building. So let me go to Gamma and then share this screen, and I will also be running the timer so you could see the timer is running. So I'm gonna increase it to 15 minutes. Oops, sorry, 15 minutes, and I will run it. Yeah, let me start this, and then you can pretty much see this awesome work. So this is Gamma. You come in, I've already logged in. I have come into Gamma, and Gamma will welcome you as every app should, and you can just talk to it. I want an app where I can list products and buyers can buy it. Right now, this is initializing the requirements I have provided, just simple English text. It's initializing to provide how many screens based on my need. It takes a few seconds, not too long. It will spit out a few screens, and you will be able to select which screens you will need and which screens you don't need for your application that you're about to build. I'm super excited to show you this because, like I was saying, a simple like 5 features that my friend wanted would take 6 months. But in Gamma, you don't need 6 months. You don't even need 6 hours. You will be able to build your application super quick. So right now, you could see the middle screen is where you will see the screens, and here are the screens that was generated. And on the very left side, it's basically Gamma helping you build your application. So we'll go ahead and say next. This is each screens we added a little bit of explanation. If you're new here, I would say maybe you go through this, but I've done this many times, so I'm just gonna skip the introduction and we'll go right to the configuration. So you have 43 screens selected. As you could see, we have shopping basket, we have for you section, we have search. Search is a very complex feature that developing this would probably take months. We also have review, also another feature. A product review is also another feature that is complex. It's not super easy to build. It takes like product review, search, along with the other simple features, that would be like 9 months, 6 to 9 months of work. But you can all do it today, right now, sitting with me, and finish your app all under like 15 minutes. So I have said that I'm okay with all 43 screens. Let's go to the next step. These are your themes. I'm just gonna keep it to simple. You can change it to friendly, mystery, whatever you like. I'm just gonna do simple. This is your color palette. You can change it to whatever color you want. You have your primary color, you have secondary, you can change it to that. I just changed primary and we're gonna leave it to that. And then go next. This is just asking if you want your application to have tabs and header. You can do just header, but I want to keep it both because I want to be able to navigate, so we'll do that. This is just what are the navigations you'll have. So you have a little home icon, search, heart is basically your wish list, shopping cart, and profile. And this is like where are these icons is going to navigate you. You can change it to anything. So for example, home is going to be product home, but you can change it to anything else. But to me, it makes more sense to keep it to product home, so we'll just keep it to that. Next, it's gonna ask you for your app image. Normally, if you're building your business, you're gonna have your own logo. Here, you should be able to either manually enter this, which is what most people will do, or we've also added a AI generated image option. I won't do that. I will just do generate them with AI because I'm lazy asking you for app name. So we'll do any app. So any app name. I'm sure you'll have a better app name than I did. I've done this so many times. I've run out of ideas, so I just put something for this demo. But you want to put your business name maybe, so that would be the app name you will see in the App Store. So I selected a generic image through AI. You have your roles, you have buyer, you have guest and seller. You can toggle this off if you just want buyer option, but I'm going to keep it all. This is asking for commission if you want commission, so I'll say I want 10% commission per product itself. If you want categories, you can add categories, so casual. So I just added one category. You can add more than one. These are your subcategories and tag. You can select it, deselect it. I'm just going to keep it. This is your splash screen. You will also probably manually enter this, or you have option to use AI. Because I selected AI, now it's like picking AI images. You have your 3 onboarding screen. You can add description. You can have a title, whatever you like. You can delete one. So let's maybe delete one so I can show you that feature. Next, you have your sign up. You have multiple ways to sign up. You have Facebook, Google, you have phone, and then this is where it's pre-selected to product home, but if you want it to go somewhere else, you can do that. So we'll leave it as product home because why not? And then home, you have promotions for you. This is advanced feature. You have categories. Wishlist is also another advanced feature. You can have recent views, you can have purchases. I'm just gonna keep it as it is or pre-selected, but you can pretty much change it to anything you like. And then you have your profile, you will have your image, you can change your profile image, and then email, your username, you have your gender options. I'm gonna just not add gender option. And then the next thing, we have wish list. So we have two options, and then you also have a none. I don't like the simple one. I like the organized board, so I'm going to do the organized one, but you can either pick between simple or organized. So let's do next. Then you have your profile actions, right? You have profile settings, address, payment, order history. I think for a buying, selling, you probably need all of them, but if you don't need anything, you can change it to like navigate somewhere. You can like, targeted page, or you can delete one of these options. So, but I want to keep them all because it makes sense to me. So I'm going to keep them all. Then we have your social accounts. So you can have your social account. So once the app is built, you could maybe link it to social media account that you have. And then the next one, you have your profile for payments. So I said, yes, I want my payments to be in my profile. This is your support. Again, you have an option to manually generate. Normally, I would recommend you probably pick your own logo here. And then you have your like how you want to be communicated. You have your going back. You can change this target page to anywhere else, but I just put go back. So we'll do go back. And then your notifications. So how do you want to be notified? If you're a buyer, would you want to be notified when your order, like product is sold, or if you're a seller, your product is sold, wish list and stuff out. The next one here, this is seller's policy. You can change this. Maybe you have your own content, but we also have a quick little examples you can use. So I'm just not going to change anything here. This is your product details, and I'm very excited to talk about the AR. Like if you want to build an AR feature in an e-commerce application, it will take a development team months to do it. We already give you this as part of the generic payment plan that you have, the subscription base. This comes with it, and you have option obviously like the other ones like photo, video, and then product attributes. You have all of that option. You can unselect any of them. You don't want it, so I'm going to keep it as all because I want my application to have the AR system, and I also want my application to have regular picture, image, video, all of that, whatnot. This is payment. I'm sure like you'll probably have your own Stripe API key, so I'm just adding this API key. Then comment section, again, also advanced feature that takes people months and weeks to build. So like and reply, if you don't want any of these, you can unselect them or even delete this page if you don't want to. I'm going to keep it because I like it. Reviews, if you want your not rating but just the stars, or if you just want review or you want both, you can keep it both. And here you have option to select a photo from the buyer if they're like adding a review for any product. This is terms and condition. Again, I'm gonna select this. You don't have to. Privacy policy, same thing. You can come up with your own content where you have your own example. And that's pretty much it. It's done. It says let's configure, we're done. Like you can also, if these 43 screens was not enough, you need more, you can just click on add more screens. You can do it, add new. If you want to change paddings or text colors or text of any screen, you can do that by just clicking here, and this button will just show all the screens. If you want to edit something, you come here, select a screen, you add it. I'm pretty much done, so I'm just gonna say I'm done, and let's publish that. Right now it's just gonna give me payment option, so I'll select let's pay in full. Why not? That's agreeing to pay Absy, and I'm just adding my credit card information. Obviously this is not real credit card, but yeah, adding credit card information. You would do the same thing, and that's it. You have just built an application within that's 15 minutes, and we still have 2 minutes to spare. And here you can see you'll get a note basically saying within the 30 minutes you'll get an email in your inbox with payment confirmation. You'll also, within like a couple hours at most, you'll get a link to App Store, and you'll get a link to Google Play Store, where you can download your app and you can start using your app. So within a couple of hours, you should be able to have your application in the palms of your hands, and you should be able to share it with your friends and family, and go run your business without the hassle of people, without the hassle of time and money you spend. Here at Absy, you'll spend a monthly subscription fee, and you can come back and update your application, do as many iteration you like, and you will have your app all within, like you said, it wasn't even like fully 15 minutes that I've shown you the demo. Please come and try, build your app with Absy. Allow us to help you, um, take your hurdles away. Let's make your business flourish with Absy, making your life easy, making tech easy for everybody. So please come in and use it. I wish, like, I have shared, I've shared this with my friends and my community, and my friends love it. And people have built application using Absy within my community, and I am proud to say I'm part of it. And you guys should come in and do the same for your business. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for listening to me. And I hope that this was helpful and you enjoyed the demo. And please come and try it yourself.